Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about sustainable farming. Sustainable farming is a way of farming that takes care of the environment and helps to feed the world. It's important to us that everyone has access to healthy and nutritious food, and sustainable farming can help us achieve that goal. Sustainable farming practices are designed to protect the environment and improve the health of our communities. They involve using natural methods to manage crops and soil, reducing the use of harmful chemicals, and promoting biodiversity. This not only benefits the environment, but it also helps to create a more sustainable food system. One of the key benefits of sustainable farming is that it helps to reduce the environmental impact of agriculture. By using natural methods to manage crops and soil, we can reduce the amount of water and energy that is used in farming. This can help to reduce our carbon footprint and help to slow down climate change. Sustainable farming also helps to improve the health of our communities. By reducing the use of harmful chemicals, we can reduce the risk of pollution and the spread of disease. We can also promote healthy soil and water ecosystems, which can help to provide clean water and air for everyone. Another benefit of sustainable farming is that it can help to create a more resilient food system. By promoting biodiversity, we can reduce the risk of crop failure and make our food system more flexible in the face of natural disasters or other challenges. So, what can we do to help promote sustainable farming? We can start by choosing to buy locally grown and produced food. This can help to support small-scale farmers who use sustainable farming practices and reduce the carbon footprint of our food system. We can also support organizations that promote sustainable farming practices, such as organic certification organizations or conservation organizations. By buying from these organizations, we can help to promote sustainable farming and support their efforts to protect the environment and improve the health of our communities. In conclusion, sustainable farming is an important way of farming that can help to feed the world and protect the environment. By choosing to buy locally grown and produced food, supporting sustainable farming organizations, and making changes in our own lives, we can all do our part to create a more sustainable food system for ourselves and future generations. Thank you for listening.